Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Intraday trading for Bank Nifty, today's review and prediction for tomorrow's. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. Learn these intraday techniques to trade without fear and without greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible. We'll go to next. Today's this is today's Bank Nifty chart of 5 minutes candles. So what are all the key price points in today's chart? We will see that one. This is the R1, that is at 36,200 levels. Previous day high at 36,100. See how magically, how beautifully, how powerful CPR it has given these levels. Bank Nifty traded within this band majority of the time, around 145, 150. Majority of the time Bank Nifty traded within this band. That is the power of CPR. It has taken the support from previous day high at 36,200, could not break for a long time and faced the resistance at R1 levels. See the resistance so many times it has tried to breach these levels but could not break this level. See this big candle also could not break this R1 levels at this level. This is the power of CPR. Again at 36,100 market break this previous day high at this level 36,100, but you have to take the confirmation of the candle. Again there is an hurdle of CPR. We are getting very small range for the trading. That's why today is no trade for directional and non-directional also. Higher value overlapping CPR. Today's CPR is, this is today's CPR. It is formed as a higher value of overlapping CPR. It says moderately bullish. Yes, how it has confirmed. This is moderately bullish day. CPR opening trick, candle opened between R1 and CPR, it indicates it is a bullish. How these statements are confirmed, but after seeing this chart, there is no indication of breakouts in a short period. That's why no trade for non-directional as well as the directional. We'll see for tomorrow. Tomorrow is higher value CPR, that is ascending CPR. Today's CPR, that is today's CPR this one, tomorrow's CPR this one. This is an ascending CPR. It indicates it is a bullish market. Again we have to wait for the opening candle, whether candle is will open here or below the CPR or above the CPR. Now we will see the tomorrow's what are all the price key indicators. 36,100 itself is the pivot. 36,100 itself is the pivot. It market depends whether it is a bullish or bearish based on where the candle is going to open for tomorrow's market. From here R1 resistance just 100 points. From here R1 level R1 resistance is market will face. Again another 100 points previous day high is there. Market will face some resistance. From here to here 200 points distance is there to face the R2. Once this breaches, it will touch 36,500. Tomorrow's chart also almost similar to today's chart. It will be like today's trading also seems to be tomorrow's trading, depends upon the opening candles. Coming to on the downside, previous day low faces at 35,900. Again 100 points difference 35,800. Again 100 points difference at S2 35,700. This is for tomorrow's prediction. What are all the key price points? Depending upon the opening candles, traders can take a proper trade setup. To learn all these things, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn technical analysis and price actions, options basics to options advanced, and also CPR indicators tricks. To learn and earn, contact 96 866 85157. Thank you.